All right guys, as you saw in the thumbnail, today we are going to do a comparison between two trucks. A brand new Kenworth T880 and a brand new Volvo VHD. And we are going to break down some of the differences between these two trucks and see what you think about them. And look, we need your help. This is the first Volvo VHD brand new truck that we have had on our lot since we started building Hooklift trucks. I'll be honest with you, I don't know much about these Volvos. This is our first one, and so we might need some help from you guys to tell us what you like and what you don't like about this truck so that we can know if we should order a bunch of these trucks when we place order for the following year. So we are going to start with the Volvo VHD. Let's give a little bit of history about Volvo. So they built their first truck in 1928. They are based out of Sweden. Their first truck was just 1.5 tons. They did not build their first Class 8 truck until quite a few years later, but today these Class 8 trucks are made in Dublin, Virginia. So it is an American-made truck right here in the USA, which is a very good thing. So what is Volvo known for? The number one thing that comes to my mind is their ride. That's always what I have heard over the years, is Volvo is known for its ride and comfort. They have a really nice cab, good visibility. They have a short hood, so you can easily see out over. The axle's set back, giving you good turning radius. So those are the number one things in a Volvo. The other thing is their crash safety testing that they do on these trucks. They have one of the highest ratings in crash tests. This cab is made out of high strength steel. Almost all big truck manufacturers use an aluminum cab. Volvo is one of the few that uses a high strength grade steel to make their cab. This is the only truck that passes the Swedish crash testing. And we are going to put a link down in the description below that shows the testing that these go through. My question to you is, will that give you a lower insurance if you're running a truck that has such high crash test ratings? I don't know, I'm simply asking you that question. And some of the testings that they put through, the truck needs to be hit from the front and from the back, and the doors still need to be able to open up so that the driver can get out. So that is a really important thing on these big trucks for driver safety. Not to mention, guys, let's hop inside the cab and look what it's really like inside the cab of a Volvo VHD. I love the door handle on the outside. You simply pull it, open the door, you got great steps to get inside. You got a grab handle here and here. Air ride seat. From the outside, this cab looks small. You hop inside here, it is actually a very roomy cab. Lots of room for storage and just plenty of leg room. Very good leg room. Did you know that Volvo was the first big truck manufacturer that came out with a 3-point safety seat belt? They did not patent that because they wanted other truck manufacturers to be able to use that as a safety feature. I thought that was a really interesting thing. Power windows, power mirrors, heated mirrors. Just look at the layout of this truck inside here. I like how the dash is laid out, comes over here to your right-hand side, easy access. You can hit everything with your right hand here. The transmission, this does have an Allison 4500 RDS transmission that you guys are also familiar with. A lot of the Volvos have the I-Shift, but this one we ordered with the Allison because you guys are so familiar with it. It's right here, mounted to the seat. This is an air ride seat, so it goes up and down with the seat. Very nice cup holders. Check out the storage behind the seats here. Lots of room to put whatever you might need. Nice roomy cab. You've got overhead storage up here. The design of the cab is very nice, laid out very well. I like it, and really, really good visibility. Short nose, short hood, really nice mirrors, so you got very good visibility when you're backing up. They also have the turn signals in the bottom mirror there. That's a really nice safety feature. So that pretty much wraps up the interior of this truck. We're gonna jump back outside and we're gonna go over a couple more things that are really important for the Volvo trucks. Let's go out there. All right, we're gonna talk about another really cool feature that Volvo has that I bet most of you guys out there did not know. You know, one of the most disgusting and frustrating things when you're driving a truck is when that check engine light comes on and you don't know what is wrong with your truck. Volvo has this option that comes with these trucks. They can monitor those check engine lights remotely, and all you have to do is call 800 Volvo 52 and a North American English-speaking person in Greensboro, North Carolina will answer the phone and they can log in remotely and tell you what that code is. They can't tell you what every code is, but they monitor the important ones, and they can tell you what the code means. They can tell you where your closest Volvo dealer is and how quickly you need to get there, like if it's a critical code. Here's a true story. I just got off the phone with our Volvo rep, and he was telling me about a customer that was driving down the road and he hit a moose. Lost all the coolant in his engine, and within 5 minutes of him hitting that moose, Volvo contacted him and said, hey, your truck is critically low in coolant. And they said, yes, we just hit a moose and lost all coolant. So there you go, 24/7 support whenever you need. Volvo Action Service, that's who you call. Good feature to have on your truck to avoid calamities. All right guys, check this out. We're gonna open the hood on this Volvo VHD and show you how it opens up. It's not like your Kenworth and Peterbilt. You actually open the door, there's a lever inside underneath the steering wheel, pull that, pops the hood, and I believe that I can probably open it with one hand. Let's see. Sure enough, look at that. Take a look at the engine bay. This has got the D13 Volvo engine, 435 horse. Take a look at it. Plenty of room to work on it. Easy access to get in to check your oil, add oil, power steering fluid, engine coolant's up on top, air cleaner's over on the right-hand side. Easy to get to the most important components that you need to check when you do your pre-trip inspection. Okay, so there is an overall view of the Volvo VHD series heavy-duty Class 8 truck. Overall, I believe it's a good, solid truck. Good visibility, very good cab comfort, rides nice, not a bad truck. That's our observation from having it here in our shop. We do not know what it's like out in the workforce hauling trash, going to the landfills, getting in and around tight buildings. That's where we'd like to hear from you. Do you have experience with the Volvo VHD? Let us know, because we want to know how many of these to order when we place order next year with our Volvo dealer. So we'd love to hear your feedback. If you'd like to be one of those guys that really wants to know more about it, please go to the link in the description below and click on it to learn more about it. Or come out here to Clare, Michigan at Quality Truck and Equipment and jump in this truck and drive it. We've got dumpsters here. You can go pick them up. You can even fill the dumpster with trash and go down the road and see what you think of this truck before making this expensive purchase. All right guys, we're gonna completely switch gears now and we're gonna jump over to the Kenworth T880. That truck, we have sold a bunch of them. We feel very comfortable with them. We know a lot more about them. We know how they perform out in the field, and we know that they will do good for you. I've personally run these trucks. They've done very well, handled well, and we're gonna just go briefly through this 2025 T880. It has got the X15 Cummins engine, which you are very familiar with. 505 horse. This truck has the Allison 4500 RDS transmission, just like the Volvo, just like all the other trucks you've ran. It is a transmission that has done very well in the waste hauling industry. It's the 6-speed, giving you live PTO that you can operate the hoist while you're driving through the yards. This is one of the #1 trucks that you guys want to get into if you're serious about hauling trash, hauling them big 30, 40-yard cans. We're gonna jump inside, take a look at the interior, and show you how nice these Kenworths are. Really nice steps. The fuel tank is tucked up underneath the cab. Nice chrome door handle. It's got your grab handle on the outside of the cab, easy access. Grab handle on the inside. Very easy to get in and out of this truck. All right guys, same thing on this truck. Good visibility. That's one of the most important factors when you're getting in a Class 8 truck, is you gotta have good visibility. Good mirrors, short hood, sloped hood. You're sitting up above everything. You can see out. Heated mirrors, power mirrors, air ride seat, big button right here on the side that you can easily push it down, get it at the exact height that you want, whether you're short, tall, or medium. All right guys, we had to jump inside here to talk about this Kenworth. It is so hot today, 95 degrees out there in the sun. We are absolutely cooked. We said, let's hop in here, get some AC rolling. It was ice cold instantly. So there is nothing like a Kenworth interior and that new truck smell. You just got to take a second and enjoy that new truck smell that I never get tired of. But guys, check it out, a Kenworth T880 interior. Man, I'm telling you, it is laid out amazing. From a driver's perspective, I just don't think you would get tired of operating this truck. Check out that full digital dash. Every single thing on that dash is digital. Cutting edge technology right there for you. You even open your door and it tells you that your door is open, driver's side or passenger side. Very nice layout. Your gauges are right here. Your buttons, I like how big they are. You're not fumbling around trying to get the right button. Clearly marked. They're all within reach. Parking brake is right here. Your Allison shift pattern is right here. You don't have to lean forward. You can simply sit here and be driving and reach over and hit any of these without leaning forward. Very good visibility. I love how they lower this window right here. That gives you how much more visibility looking out there and seeing a car down here in your blind spot. Overhead compartments, very nice seats. I love these seats. Just a good truck to drive in all day long. And let me tell you, if you're struggling with finding drivers, good qualified drivers that are passionate about hauling trucks, put them in a Kenworth T880 and see what they think then. All right, guys, if you've visited our channel before, you know that the only thing we do here is build hook lift trucks. So very briefly, we are going to discuss the specs of the truck and the equipment on the back. So both of these trucks have 20,000-pound front axles. Both of these have 20,000-pound steerable lift axles, and both of them have 46,000-pound drive axles. SL520X swap loader with the adjustable jib height. That is our most popular size hoist in the Class 8 trucks. It's the only hoist that we stock for the Class 8 trucks because it is so popular. It is a 50,000-pound hoist that will lift just about everything out there that you put in your dumpster. Both of these have the SWAT fully hydraulic tarp system that you can operate from right outside here. 3 levers to run the tarp up. These arms here go forward and backward for your different length cans. Both of these have nice black poly fenders on them. One has universal body locks, one has your standard body locks, outside body locks. Otherwise, both of these trucks are almost identical in the equipment that's on the back of them. We've got strobe lights in the back. This truck already has the pintle hitch because that's what the customer wanted. You can add that for $500. It's got the backup camera. It's got your D-rings, air lines, place to plug your trailer cord in, strobe lights in the front. Man, this truck is ready to go, ready to haul trash. What is keeping you from moving into the Class 8 trucks? Is it fear? Is it money? Is it the ability to drive the truck? Well, guys, here it is. You'll look good in either one of these trucks. Tell us what you think. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. Thank you for watching. We want your feedback. Give us your feedback of why we should order more of these Volvo trucks. We know the Kenworths, we know they're good, so we know the answer to that. We're gonna give you the opportunity to give feedback in the comments. Check out the link in the description below on both of these trucks. And remember, the only thing we do here at Quality Trucking Equipment is build hook lift trucks. Call us today, 989-802-0907, and we can help you.